Not all gays are interested in getting in your pants. No.
Don't be the bichara always.
It showed that there was no gay romance or there was no gay angle, but it was just a mockery.
Today on this panel, we have a very interesting bunch of people, and we have Sunny and we have Palash with us. They run the India's #1 gay social app called Blued India, which is amazing. Bollywood being such a generator, flag bearer of reaching masses. So it is even more important that such topics are portrayed in Bollywood. The characters are portrayed in a very good manner. What exactly did you all feel?
तो मुझे अभी भी याद है जब दूरदर्शन पे ये मूवीज आते थे गोविंदा वाले जिसमें ये रवीना टंडन थी उसमें एक कैरेक्टर आता था जो उसको डांस सिखाती थी बहुत मतलब लाइक दिस इज द गिगल व्हिच हैज टू कम लाइक आई डिडंट नो लाइक कि क्या होता था तब ये द होल पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज दैट नोबडी इज नॉर्मल हियर आई थिंक बॉलीवुड इज द दुश्मन टुवर्ड्स बिल्डिंग दिस gap if they portrayed strong character. I mean, this won't have happened for sure.
Any kind of effeminate character who used to come on to that in front of me, I used to think that okay, this being gay is all about. Like, do I have to act in that manner?
So we'll get into the characters. We'll start with सबसे पहले दोस्ताना.
When it came out, like the rage was there. Okay, I saw John in that yellow pants and then by the sea, and it was like, wow, इस बार तो कुछ और ही होने वाला है.
I took my straight friend to watch that movie so that I can come out to him and tell it to him that see, I am also like them. But when the movie started and the next person to me who was straight, like my friend, when he started laughing and all those songs like Madala, Bigad Gaya, like Bigadna is like that something is wrong. And then there were nahi kind of scenes which were done by Kiran Kher. It showed that there was no gay romance or there was no gay angle, but it was just a mockery.
Next, we'll talk about the movie Fire.
I never knew about the movie. Then all of a sudden, this movie comes into my eye, and I watch it, and I was like, "Wow, this is called something which is like really powerful." You see the change that people started revolting against the movie. So it did impact, and it showed the reality, and it is true. This is there.
So that movie was not only limited to homosexuality or lesbianism. It was more about desires of two women who were who came together and worked for something which was beyond love. I think movies like Fire did, of course, created fire and was very much of a rage. And actually, it was a concept which was beyond its time when it got released.
Third is, you all must have seen Partner. जो सुरेश मेनन का कैरेक्टर रहता है, कटरीना कैफ का फ्रेंड किरण.
That again was very much like कि अच्छा gay है and now if an urban gay is like this, so ये इसका काम ही है कि क्या sex, men, those sexual frustrations and desires, so this is how it is. And because he has a female friend, so that can be a cover up.
A lot of people who used to just come to us and they would talk to us and they would be like, if you have any female friends, of course, we can hook up with them and then you can also hook up with my friend or you can hook up with me.
Okay, next movie is Aligarh.
I remember crying because the kind of sorrow and the pain that Manoj Bajpayee goes through, his character goes through into the movie. It was real. Okay, it was relatable.
Aligarh is not even a very big city again.
Yeah.
So then, so these are the things that you learn that okay, India mein things are still acceptable in major cities, but there's a lot of work to be done on every front.
Are these mainstream movies which have recently released, which are Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, did the story do justice or how was it? It
was a very cute love story which was it's like rom-com basically, which was made for gay people.
Okay, I see Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan was a good movie. I feel Ayushmann, he portrayed a very overly done character of a gay individual.
Next, we have the one that you spoke about, Bobby Darling.
His name Bobby Darling itself was picked to kind of tag gay people. People used to say that you're the Bobby Darling. So when he spoke about his story, if you watched some of his interviews, he said that I was forced to pick up such roles. There were no storylines which were strong about gay character. So he had to forcibly do such things.
I feel like I said Bobby could have done more justice to the role. Okay, I find maybe he was sabotaged and maybe he was bullied that time to play a character like that. But now why don't you come and talk about it and do something do a justice. Don't be the bichara always. be a strong individual and portray yourself, and like society would be like, oh, he's so strong, she's so strong. Why to like look down upon them?
I was going to ask Raja Hindustani also. Both of them, Raja Hindustani. What was your reaction?
I remember I was thinking whether am I this tomboy female and I'm the female, or I'm like, why is this Master G wearing these sunscreens and having the umbrella?
Master G. Oh God. Can you all take us through what Blued India actually stands for?
Our main motive of Blued India is to, increase visibility of the community.
And we focus on to like a lot of creative aspects, which kind of, makes LGBTQ mainstream. So it's not just limited to some sort of activism, but it's kind of showing the side which is full of glory. If you guys like this video, do share and do put a comment down into the section below. And don't forget to follow Hotterfly on Instagram, YouTube, and on Facebook.
Not only just Hotterfly, do also follow Blued India and also like share this video. It should reach out to a lot of people. Yeah, sorry. Great.
Very good. Thank you.